Please, how many people are injured in this?
9 people are injured. All they are from this bus, passenger bus, and one the driver of the pickup, milk van driver. He is also injured. All are shifted to health center, Madkar. Further, if any grievous injury, they will be shifted to GMC Bombay.
Okay. And road traffic?
This is Junction Road. The bus is going to Madkar side, and the van is coming from the Honda to highway.
Okay.
Main.
Okay. Your name, sir, please?
Govind Gavas.
Okay, sir.
Madkar Police.
Okay, thank you.